This is the app's home screen. You can navigate to quizzes from the bottom bar. From here you can choose to take the weekly mental assessment based on our Caress model or the personality test based on the Ocean model. After taking the assessments, you can retake the weekly assessment after 1 week, and to retake the personality test, you would have to give $5. You can then go to the chat section and chat with the AI chatbot, which can help you gain confidence to talk to a real therapist. You can visit the search section and find a therapist. You can chat with them and book an appointment. You can then go to the home screen, and from the pop-up you can tell how your current mood is. You can visit your profile to see your past moods, weekly reports and personality traits. This is the code that I wrote. I used next.js and TypeScript for front-end and Firebase for back-end as a service. I also made an FNN chatbot from scratch and hosted it on Replit. I hope you like my project. Thank you for watching.